Hey everyone, welcome back! In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to contact Bitget support, especially if you're dealing with a P2P order problem or need to open an appeal. Let's get right into it. After you complete your payment on a P2P order, you'll land on the order details page. At the bottom of that screen, there's a timer counting down. Once it hits 0, just refresh the page and you'll see the Submit Appeal option become active. Tap on it and a form will pop up. You'll be asked to choose the type of appeal and explain what's going wrong. Make sure you describe the issue clearly. Bitget also allows you to upload evidence, so add screenshots like your payment confirmation, transfer proof, or anything that shows what happened. Once everything is filled out, hit Confirm Appeal and Bitget support gets notified immediately. After submitting the appeal, you should contact support directly so they can speed things up. Look at the bottom right corner of the screen. There's a Help button. Tap it to open the live chat window. A small menu will appear asking for your preferred language and a short message about your issue. Enter what you need, then tap Start Chat. A support agent will join shortly. When they do, give them your order number and explain what's happening. They'll check your case and handle the appeal as quickly as possible. Once the problem is resolved, the order status will change to completed. And your crypto will appear in your Assets tab like normal, and that's how you contact Bitget support the right way and get help fast. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more quick guides just like this.